it's going to be emotional kind of, and it's going to be reality that actually she's actually really getting married.
I'm really out of words because Lutendo Munyadziwa is my big sister. So yeah, I just want to say I'm really happy for her.
You are going to see a lot of fashion. The fashion is very over the top. We're dressing the bride, we're dressing the bridesmaids, we're dressing the groomsmen, and we made a shirt for the groom as well.
Good luck. I'm going to go to me. I've been to any other woman. The first sister is na somtani ndo zichimbira zvavhuḓi zvoke zvimosha na mini na mathanda na mini mathanda tikaona mara mini zviva zvichikuri
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. It started when you said hello.
I'm just over the moon, like when you have waited for something for so long, you have prayed about it and it suddenly happens when you have least expected it. So the feeling, it's something that I can't really explain at the moment, but I'm feeling more excited because what I prayed for, I have achieved it today. And to my happy to be, I would like to say I love him more. I promise to be with him. I was stated in my vows actually. So what I'm gonna say today, it will be coming from my heart.
She just have to know that often I don't express it. Basically from the actions, yeah, make sure that this happens I wish her the best, I wish myself the best, and I also wish the whole marriage to be successful. Yeah, and I can't wait to see her.
stuck and you get to know me better. It's so much that I wanna do. When I dream I'm alone with you, it's nice.